Hi guys, how are you? This is just a quick video for YouTube and some of you who want to see how my classes go before you actually join, which you still can do that even if you go on to www.sapphirecoding.com. You can see all the classes and you can actually see how the classes go. Go into the coaching session. In the coaching session, I have a full layout of how to navigate through the classes. Okay, but right here, I'm just kind of showing you one of the lessons so you can see, what they look like and how I do them. These videos are in the classroom. They're uploaded in the classroom. So you can archive them as many times as you want to. But I just wanted you to see how the classes go. So this is going to be like 5 minutes and I'm going to put it on YouTube. Then I got to go back to work. So let's just take a look at this and then we'll see what's going on. Every class has a subject objective. Okay, this is just the first lesson to the endocrine and nervous system course. Okay, you can save this, you can print this, you can do what you want to do. I did block some printing on some classes, but I'm going to release it because a lot of people are asking me that you guys need to print. I don't see the necessary need to print a whole lot of stuff when you can just look at it over and over. But however you retain, get it done. Make sure you guys have your AAPC guideline book. You need that to pass your class. Whatever's in there, trust me, AAPC is going to have it on that test. And don't forget to get your ICD-10 book. The new one should be out. Read those guidelines 100 times. Okay, so this is the beginning of the lesson. I'm not going to read anything. When you go in the classroom, you can read. I'm just kind of showing you what it is. Okay, this is the second lessons. Okay, this is the same lesson, different section. Okay, all this will be done in one lesson. Let's say we're on lesson 1. Lesson 1, there's a video for lesson 1. That's it. I can't do 15 lessons in one session because there are some classes that I have maybe 15 or 20 lessons. So, I don't do them in one shot. Anyway, so of course, this is part of the nervous system. You got the endocrine system. All of this is together. So, this is things that we study. I do have a lot of pictures in here. So just, be precarious and take notes when you see something. And don't forget your ICD-10 book has so many illustrations in there. You cannot get lost on your AAPC exam for CPC. Everything is already there, okay? Just look at these pages, read them, take notes, and whatever you need. Now, I go through this fully in the lesson. You don't even have to read it, just listen. Just listen. When you go archive, just listen. Write down what you need to write down, okay? There's some who do it in a different way. Do it however you want to. I don't care, but I want you to retain it and pass your exam, okay? If there's something else that you need me to go over, Ms. Lambert, let's go over this. Ms. Lambert, what about this? Okay, so here, see, it's just basically talking about nervous system, endocrine, and what it involves. You guys do know that diabetes mellitus is in the what? In the endocrine system. Your ICD-10 book, go to chapter 4. Okay, go to chapter 4. Go to chapter 2 as well. That's the nervous system. I want y'all to look at that too. The reason why AAPC gives you so much physiology and body systems and definitions is because that's what their test is about. They got to see if you are medical savvy. They got to see how bougie you are with your medical terminology. Because how you going to code without it, right? When you're in a doctor's office or in a hospital, you can take your time and do what you need to do. But when you're taking an exam, you got to be savvy. You got to know what you're getting ready to get into. Okay. So again, this is a lesson. Just take heed to it. I got all kinds of stuff in here. Just make sure you pay attention to it. Okay. I think there looks like 6 lessons in this class. So this is short. This is like 6 lessons. I see something in there I need to correct already. But don't worry about that. If you see 1 or 2 things that's incorrect or something I forgot, a number or something, don't email me about no, Ms. Lambert, you forgot so and so. Okay, but anyway, this is what it is. Okay, and that's why I want you guys to make sure that you take heed to the courses. Remember, I broke them up. They're not expensive. Take it slow. All these people who are resigning and there's so many positions open, you got to take advantage of it. Okay. But this is the basics. This is how it's going to be. It's 5 minutes in. I'm going to load this on YouTube. I'm also going to put this in the class, sapphirecoding.com. Do not forget to subscribe. This is quick. And those of you who are on Facebook, this is what it is. You know, I mean, you guys know I work during the day, so I'm not at this all the time, but I'm always in the classroom doing something. And don't forget to go on edmundo.com. That's my other class. That's free. You guys can go in there. I even put y'all grades in there. So most of y'all already go in there already. But you guys who was in my class years ago, you guys still go in there. So the tests and exams and everything is still in there. That's free. When you go on sapphirecoding.com, you guys know, just give your email, and that's all you need to do to go in there and navigate. You don't have to purchase anything. And there is also free things in there for you to purchase. Also, you can use your Google Drive to put some of this stuff on your Google Drive. My son and I was trying to figure out a way where, you know, you guys can go in there when you are, you know, just walking or at lunch or something like that. If you need to look at the class. But we haven't figured out a way yet. But for now, you guys got to go through the class and pick up from there. But we'll see how we're going to do it. We were going to do it on the drive first and then just kind of give you guys a flash drive. But I think that's too much. But you guys let me know. Let me know your opinion. Send me an email at lbcthink@sapphirecoding.com. I'm 6 minutes in. And yet you guys know how I am about time. It's like ridiculous. And don't be late, because I'm about to go off. But I'm telling you right now, that's why I made these classes like that. Don't worry about handing work in on time. Hand it in whenever you get it done. This is not a time-based course. Do what you need to do. You guys know I do not micromanage you, and I do not be like, where's your work? But if you get missing, I am going to say, well, what happened to you? You know, but there's no re-enrollment or nothing like that. Go back to the classroom. If you forget your password, let me know. Ms. Lambert, I forgot my password. I'll show you how to get it. Okay, or change it. Okay, so let's end this. I'm 7 minutes in. Let's go ahead and put this on YouTube, and let's see how it turned out. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to stop the share, and then we're going to end.